'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Today is Sunday, guys. Today is Sunday, and my husband is home. I tried to show you guys him yesterday, but the thing died. Say hi to Sunshine. I haven't seen you in a while.
Hi guys.
So yeah,
I'm here.
Yeah, he's here. I took the kids to the pool today, and now I'm cooking Sunday dinner. I'm making jerk chicken and rice and peas. And guys, I'm gonna show you guys a trick how to cook red beans. So my mom taught me a long time ago that if you want to cook red kidney beans, put it in the pot with 1 cup of water and whichever amount of beans you want. Put it in the pot, bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, turn it off for 15 minutes and then return it back to the fire, and your red beans are cooked. Yeah, so I'm cooking rice and peas with jerk chicken. I was gonna do some kind of vegetable, but the line at the grocery store was way too long, and I took the kids to the pool. Okay guys, so today is, hi Maddie, look at Maddie. Hi baby, who are you talking to? You talking to daddy? Huh? Huh? What happened?
Who's that?
Oh, the camera.
Oh.
The sunshines.
I thought that was your sister. I was like, what are you doing in my house?
Say hi guys.
I heard that second person.
She's talking to her daddy.
Anyway, I'll talk to you later.
Alright, bye honey. So, I'm not gone. I'm not gone. I'm right here. What's wrong? What's wrong? I am right here, baby. I didn't go anywhere. Maddie. Maddie. What are you doing? What are you doing? Maddie. Maddie.
Hi. Hi, Sunshine. You're Sunshine. Can we watch Clarence? Because it's only one episode. Because the reason why is only like
She's not crying. No.
2 times go.
You gonna get up?
We just watch it because I only watch it 2 times go.
You gonna get up? Are you gonna get up?
Can I just watch it?
No, she can get up. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Now. Shh. What's so noisy? Get up, Maddie.
I'm gonna land on your tail.
There you go. Good girl. Watch your hands, Ellie. What are you trying to do, Madison? What are you trying to do?
What she did last time.
People look. Oh! Madison Aaliyah. Madison Aaliyah, what did you just do? Maddie.
She's standing up.
Oh my word. Miss Aaliyah. I hope I don't startle her. She fall and bust her mouth. Hey, what did you just do? Aaliyah. Maddie, what did you just do?
I did. I was laying down and got up.
What did you just do?
She's not gonna tell you.
She ain't gonna tell me?
No.
Why are you guys eating food on my bed?
No, exactly.
Could you please take that off my bed and get out my room with y'all food eating stuff? Okay, Maddie. She's like, give me some of that. Maddie, what did you just do, baby?
Okay, I got it.
See your face.
Before I tell you this, I want you to remember all the
Hello.
I see what you're angling for, but if you want to be in my entourage, you're going to have to work for it.
So,
Maybe this next part so
Yes.
it's easier.
Maddie, say hi. Hi.
Someone just got demoted to
Hello.
This one
Hello.
invented has been making
You want to see her crawl?
stuff, but
Give me a minute.
I feel golf ball.
Did you? Did you?
So I cheated?
It's like doing to the man.
Put you on the team.
And
I tried to hide on your face. You made me think I didn't have to. All I practiced was my trial face in my post-game interview. You set me up to look like a fool, Harley. I already have
Hey.
on my own. I'm sorry. Maybe you can fake an injury. Or get a real one. I'll wait to teach you how to walk the heels. I have to play. Without me, the team will be sure to go for. They'll miss that tournament in Florida. Team Captain Lindsay already.
So she's crying. Crying. Okay, guys. Now look at her. Gigi, what are you doing? She's crying, guys. Look at her. Look at her.
Actually, that means I'm sitting on the remote. But my butt agrees.
Maddie. Maddie. Come here, Maddie. Stop.
I didn't want to wait
Come on. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. You want to take the camera? You're going to go over. Bye. Maddie, you see them? So, my mom is cooking dinner for my dad. He's going to come home and say, where's dinner? Oh, you're going to sit up on dinner. Right, Maddie? I agree with you, Shishi. Mommy, how do you end this? How do you end this?
The red button in the back.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, my hair is always a mess. I come on here. So, I'm making dinner. And I'm making my husband's favorite. He likes chili. And this thing called sweet corn cake.
You're making
So right now I have my ground beef going for my chili, and I just have some thyme and green onions going here. I'm going to take the green onions once it's finished. I'm going to take those out. It's just there for flavor. So, and I have in here some burrito seasoning and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys once it's finished. Okay, so my rice is ready.
I don't want rice, I just want corn cake.
And my sweet corn cake is ready.
Chili is ready.
Chili is ready.
I like chili. I like some chili.
Yeah.
I like chili.
So I'm gonna go fix my husband dinner. He's trying to get he's trying to we're gonna watch a movie. So I will see you guys on Friday. Anyways, I will talk to you guys on Friday, and if you're not already, could you stop? If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.